What's something people don't know about France? It's not just about the Eiffel Tower and croissants. First off, always greet with a smile and a bonjour. It's like a magic word here. And speaking of magic, don't forget to carry a reusable water bottle. Public fountains in Paris are your new best friends. Now, let's talk food. Skip the fancy restaurants and hit the local markets. Fresh cheese, bread, and fruit will make you feel like a true Parisian. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you when it comes to transportation. The metro is your go-to. Grab a carnet of 10 tickets. It's cheaper and super handy. Oh, and watch out for those sneaky pickpockets. Keep your valuables close. And your wits closer. Got some free time? Head to the lesser-known spots like Canal Saint-Martin. It's peaceful, scenic, and perfect for a picnic. Lastly, always have some cash. Small shops and cafes might not take cards. And don't forget to practice your French. Even a little effort goes a long way. So, ready to conquer France like a pro. Bon voyage!